Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a mackerel together. Now, let's start drawing. Mackerel are fast-swimming fish that often live in large schools in the open ocean. They have long, slim bodies, smooth skin, and distinctive stripes along their backs. Mackerel are agile predators that mainly feed on small fish and plankton. Thanks to their speed, they can easily escape from predators. When drawing a mackerel, its clean shape and smooth curves make sketching simple and enjoyable. This makes it perfect for practicing line drawing and smooth coloring. Now, let's start coloring. Now we have finished drawing and coloring this mackerel. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching!